This is a Roxbury Russet tree. um, Roxbury Russet is one of the older, well, one of the oldest American varieties. It is, oh no, I lost one. It's October 16th today in central New York, and the Roxbury Russet are ready to eat, or, they're ripe, ready to be picked and stored. Um, Off the tree, they're pretty tart. I don't have any that have been in storage yet, but the flavor tends to mellow out a bit in cold storage and sweeten up as well. Um, and Makes it really good for cider, baking as well. And It's fresh eating. It can be good. Sauces are really good. It's really good with. And Yeah, the tree itself is a pretty vigorous tree. It's a triploid variety, so those are usually pretty vigorous. And The pollen is, doesn't, it will not pollinate anything else with a triploid. But and Roxbury Russet also tends to be a bit susceptible to the major apple diseases. But It grows so much that any setbacks are easily overcome in a season or two. But yeah, let me go ahead and take a taste. Mm, yeah, definitely tart, but I'm getting a lot of flavor from it. Um, it's really tasty. If you like tart apples this time of year, this is a nice one to eat off the tree. Um, but I mean, if I pick this right now, in a few weeks, this is going to be much sweeter, and the flavor will come out more. But the flesh itself is pretty dense, a bit grainy. Also, why it's very very much esteemed as a cider apple, because if you can't eat it, you can always press it and get good, really good results. Anyway, this is Roxbury Russet.